Sup, it's your girl, the Country Bat, and guess what? It is so fucking hot. It is so hot that today, quick update, yes, I know it's been like 2 weeks since I've been on here, and the garden does not look the same at all, and once I get around to posting all of my backlog content, you're gonna be like, what the fuck is this? I had some technical issues. I have been trying a new way to host my files. I'm still working out the bugs. I now have a big backlog of content to get through. I still have been maintaining my yard space though. That's really hard to see because of the contrast. I'll get to that in a minute. But right now, here in Indiana, the heat index is in the 100s. Like probably the mid 100s. Once it gets to the triple digits, I don't even bother to check, because I don't like counting that high when it comes to outside. This video will not be filmed outside. I have to prune my zucchinis because they have decided to start wilding out and taking over the whole garden and acting like they own the goddamn place, and I need to prune because I am growing them vertically. However, doing yard work when the heat index is 100 by the time it's noon is very precarious when you are me. Because number one, you can't really safely prune in the morning because everything is still really dewy and misty, and pruning when everything is moist is going to increase the risk of infection to your crops. So if you wait when it's hot like this, it's dangerously hot for any human being, but in between having POTS and being on antidepressants, I am extremely heat intolerant. It is a mess. I can only be out for like 10 minutes at a time in this weather, and I have to have an electrolyte drink. So you might be thinking, why not do it in the evening? I also have Skeeter syndrome, and if you don't know what that is, it's when mosquitoes cause your body to attack itself. I am allergic to outside, but I still love outside. Once I am done with my pruning, I will attempt to show from the safety and air conditioning of my house what I have accomplished. Hopefully I can get this done in 10 minutes. Let's go.
10 minutes later.
So that sucked, but I survived and tried to get that done as quickly as possible. Like I said, I didn't film. Well, I didn't really film. I did get a few seconds of shots because finally, after a month being in the ground, these little bastards have started flowering for me. And I know that zucchini are really the kind of hurry up and wait plant where you have to just be patient, be patient, be patient, and then all of a sudden they make a million of them, and you have so much zucchini that you just have to revolve your entire diet around zucchini, or otherwise give zucchini to everybody for Halloween or whatever you do with it. But I am not a very patient person. I am a very instant gratification millennial girly, so that's been hard for me. Seeing flowers was nice, but take a look at the progress. Like I said, we are observing from the safety and comfort of the window, and I wish I could have shown a before picture, because this is the after shot, and looking at this as the after shot, you might be thinking, like, what do you mean? They are still taking over. But, and it's hard to see from here, there is a massive pile of leaves next to the compost can. I have not yet made the compost can because, like I said, it's been so hot, I haven't gotten around to making it. But you can actually see the stakes. You can actually see which of the foliage is, like, responsible for getting the sun. As I understand it, and I am by no means an expert in anything, but especially vertical growing zucchini, you have to prune such that it, like, allows for the upper foliage to get the most sun so that it doesn't become bushy, and that's what I tried to do here. So these got pruned to about a tune of a third, and in the process it revealed beautiful, beautiful flowers. I also pruned a little bit on the maders, which had some yellowing leaves. We've got predictably the sun gold doing very, very well, and once these fruit ripen, they will go straight into the pasta pot. And the LMAO tomatoes not doing as well, much, much higher, but not as fruitful. So, and since we haven't been here in a while, you might be wondering, what the fuck is that? What the fuck are the cages doing over there? Everything is looking real different. Yeah, it is. I've done a lot of work. I've recorded all of it. I just haven't made the videos, like I said, because things have been kind of weird. But stick around. I will be uploading soon. Peace.